Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you is your JioHotstar app is stuck on loading and showing experience internet connectivity issue error, as you can see guys in my screen. First you need to close your JioHotstar. So if you are using JioHotstar on Android or in your iPhone, you can watch this video till end very carefully. For both user, I am going to show you easy and simple fixes. First you need to check your internet connection. Open anything, any web browser or any Facebook or YouTube. You need to check your internet connection, how your internet connection was performing. In case there is no internet connection on your phone, on Android or iPhone, at that time you can definitely face this kind of problem error on your JioHotstar app. So in case the internet connection is working very perfectly fine, afterwards you are facing the error in JioHotstar, at that time guys you can try the next method. Before we start, first you need to know why this error appear on your app. There are few reasons. First is network switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, app cache issue, server sync error or VPN or private DNS issue, outdated app version, background data restriction. So these are some common reasons behind this error. So let's fix it step by step. First you need to enable the airplane mode on your phone, okay, and wait for 10 to 30 seconds and then turn it off. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data one time. After doing this guys, it will definitely helps you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, now you can try the next method. Okay, if you have connected your phone to DNS or VPN, you need to disconnect it. To disconnect it guys, you need to open the phone settings. So I am using iPhone, so you can try this same setting on your Android phone as well. In your phone you need to open the internet connection setting. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it. Now you need to force close and reopen the app. On Android you need to open the phone settings, okay, or you can simply tap and hold on your JioHotstar app and open the app info, and from there you can force stop that app. On iPhone, if you are using iPhone, you need to open your all recent app and you need to close this and then reopen your JioHotstar app. It will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to open the Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, you need to open the App Store. Simply here you need to search your JioHotstar. If the app update is available, simply go ahead update the app. Outdated app can cause this type of problem issue, and then you need to restart your phone. A simple restart fixes network issues in most cases. That's why you need to restart. After trying these all methods, still the problem is same, you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to check the JioHotstar server. Sometimes the issue is not from your side, the issue is from the JioHotstar server. Open the Google and here you need to search JioHotstar server. Okay, you can get the all details. If the server is down, you can check it out from here, or you can open the down detector official website to check the server of your JioHotstar. If the server was down, you need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes at least, especially during live matches or peak hour. After then, open the JioHotstar and log in your account properly. Try playing videos. Your problem should fix now. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more real world tech fixes. See you in the next one.